Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and you enjoy the days of your life. In this collection, you see the beautiful ideas about the designs of Merry Christmas home decoration ideas. Home decoration ideas in a different way. The beautiful, colorful ideas. Hope you like this video. Most demanding articles, most beautiful articles, most attractive articles. Hope you like this video. Hope you love the designs. Hope you like the creativity. Thank you so much guys to watch the video till the end, and most of the designs and most of the creativity are new and attractive. So thank you so much guys to watch the videos and to like my YouTube videos, to sharing my YouTube channel with your close friends and relatives. And the design is so beautiful, and I hope you love my videos and I hope you love my collections. The design is so beautiful, the design is so outclass, and I hope you love the designs of different creativity. Garland ideas with wits designs and the creative mention ideas are so beautiful. I hope that you must try these designs at the Designs of My Christmas Festival 2025 best video and best collection for you. Thank you so much guys to watch the video till the end. The garland beautiful decoration ideas for home decorations designs, and the design is so attractive, the design is so fabulous, and I hope you like this the video collections garland beautiful ideas. I hope you enjoy the video till the end. Take care and bye bye.